Hi, I'm Rob Wiedeman, content creator for AdvantageLumber.com, coming to you from sunny Miami, Florida, except today isn't so sunny. What they did here on this job is they actually took the Rainscreen siding and attached it to the door so it gives it a feel of the siding and you don't got these ugly garage doors as soon as you pull in. Everybody has their own little unique flavor that they put on their siding or however they're doing it. And they decided that they wanted a trim board. And instead of doing a big trim board here and a big trim board here, they went ahead and took a piece of 2x2 and cut out the back side of it to fit around. All the siding has this here. Whenever it turns a corner, it's a good stopping point, gives it a nice, clean, straight lines, matches the modern architecture of the house. Just a really good and unique way of doing things. So we have the elegant section of the house with the siding, and to complement that, what they've done is it's Miami, Florida, so you gotta have a dock. And what they did here is they used the top-down screw method rather than do the Ipe clips, which we normally do recommend, but you can see it gives it a really strong hold-down method. It's less labor-intensive, and it's more economically friendly if you're just doing it as a complement to something else. From Miami, Florida, I'm Rob Wiedeman, the content creator of AdvantageLumber.com, and we'll see you next time.